In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in Canva. This is a quick practical skill that helps you point out important details, guide attention in a presentation, or label parts of an image with a clean, professional look. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're working directly on the design where the arrow will go. With your project open, look to the left side of the screen and click on Tools. If you don't see the sidebar, hover your mouse near the left edge or expand it so the options become visible. Inside Tools, find the line icon. This is where Canva keeps basic line shapes that we can turn into an arrow in just a moment. Click the line icon, then choose the straight line. Canva will place a simple line on your canvas. You can drag the line to position it where you need it, and you can pull the ends to resize it. If you want the line to stay perfectly horizontal or vertical while you adjust it, hold the Shift key as you drag. This keeps it neat and precise. If the line appears at an angle, don't worry. You can rotate it using the small rotate handle until it points in the general direction you want. Now that you've added a line, make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see handles on the ends and the editing options appear above your canvas. With the line selected, look at the toolbar across the top. Find the arrowhead icon. Clicking this icon adds an arrowhead to the line, instantly turning it into an arrow. You'll see the head appear at the end of the line, making it perfect for pointing to a specific spot in your design. That's it. The arrow is now part of your project. From here, you can nudge it into place with your arrow keys for fine adjustments, or drag it so it aligns exactly with the element you want to highlight. If the arrowhead doesn't appear right away, double-check that the line is selected and that you're clicking the arrowhead option in the top toolbar rather than on the canvas. To recap the flow, open your project, click Tools on the left, choose the line icon, pick the straight line, select it on your canvas, and click the arrowhead icon in the top toolbar. You've created a clean, clear arrow in just a few clicks. Save your design, and you're ready to share or continue editing.